drop. Now, fetch water. Okay. No, don't touch me. No. This here, go out. No, you're bending it. Okay, watch me.
Okay.
I'll do it on this side so people can see, okay? So we're here. Don't bend like this, and don't push it. So this here, look at my finger to here. There's a line. The line is going to go over by using here as a pivot, and the pivot is going to be here. So we'll make it a little bit higher for you. Yeah. Okay. But you went backward. You have to go out there. Okay. Very good. Now don't move. There. Can somebody come here? No, you move this way a little bit, slightly. No. That's it. Can somebody come over here? Grab him here. No, stand there. What you will do is he's going to move back. You only allow him to come over here. Only this here. And we're locking him here. Now, swing your foot back. Now as you swing, come this way. That's it. Now you lost here. There's access here that does not move. Yeah, 2 hands, lock him here. That's it, lock hard. And this power is going to be because your hand and your foot swing backward. Yeah, no, that's it. Do it again. Okay, this time you put your hand here. He cannot go backward. Now swing back. Yeah, you feel that now.
Yeah.
And your pull changed the direction. So now watch me. Yeah, hold here. So your pull here changed the direction.
Yeah.
It's on the same line. Can you see that here? And as I swing here, can you see that? You went like this. You feel that line.
Yeah, I lost the line.
You're trying to fight.
Beautiful. Shall we do it again?
Do it again. Get a feeling. Yeah. Okay. So first leave it there and put your foot there without him feeling it. That's it. Now use that to grind that. Yeah. Swing this way. Yeah, that's it. You feel that now?
Yeah, felt better.
Okay. Now here. Touch. Stretch it. Yeah. That's it. Continue. Good.